from steam experiments to electric intelligence. The automobile is not merely a machine. It is a moving system of engineering, economics, geopolitics, urban planning, psychology, and culture. To understand the history of cars is to understand the transformation of modern civilization itself. This is a structured, deep historical analysis, from primitive mechanical experiments to AI-driven electric mobility. Before 1886, before the internal combustion engine, human mobility depended on walking animal power, horses, oxen, wind, ships, steam, trains. The key technological barrier was self-propelled personal transport. In 1769, Nicolas-Joseph Cugnot built a steam-powered vehicle intended for military use. It was large, unstable, and impractical, but it proved a concept. Self-propelled road vehicles were possible. Steam technology advanced railways dramatically, but steam cars were heavy and inefficient for personal use. The true breakthrough required a smaller, lighter power source. The year 1886 is widely accepted as the birth of the modern automobile. In Germany, Karl Benz patented the Benz Patent-Motorwagen. This vehicle used a gasoline-powered internal combustion engine, had 3 wheels, produced about 0.75 horsepower. It was not powerful, but it was practical. The early 1900s saw dozens of small car manufacturers. Cars were luxury items. Then came the Industrial Revolution within the auto industry. In 1908, Henry Ford introduced the Ford Model T. The true revolution was not the car. It was the assembly line, 1913. Production time dropped from 12 hours to 90 minutes. Costs fell dramatically. Middle-class Americans could afford cars. Cars shifted from luxury to necessity. This transformed urban planning, oil industry, road infrastructure, suburban development. Cars evolved in styling, speed, comfort, aerodynamics improved. Luxury brands emerged. In Germany, Ferdinand Porsche helped design the Volkswagen Beetle. Meanwhile, in the United States, General Motors introduced annual styling updates. Branding became central financing options, expanded ownership. The automobile became a symbol of freedom and status. After World War II, factories converted from military production. Powerful V8 engines dominated. Cars featured chrome details, tail fins, bright colors. The interstate highway system under President Dwight D. Eisenhower accelerated car dependency. The 1973 oil crisis exposed vulnerability in fuel dependency. Gas prices soared. Consumers demanded smaller engines, better fuel economy. Japanese manufacturers gained dominance. Brands like Toyota, Honda, Nissan. These cars were reliable, efficient, affordable. Lean manufacturing systems, Toyota production system, reshaped global industry. Cars began integrating digital systems. Electronic fuel injection replaced carburetors. ABS braking improved safety. Airbags became mandatory in many markets. The vehicle evolved into a cyber-mechanical system. Luxury shifted from displacement to electronics. By the 1990s, Vehicles were no longer purely mechanical machines. They were computational systems. In 1997, Toyota Prius launched in Japan. It combined gasoline engine, electric motor, regenerative braking. Hybrids represented transitional innovation. They were evolutionary, not revolutionary. But the real revolution was about to come. Electric vehicles had existed before, but they were slow and limited. Then came Tesla, Incorporated, led by Elon Musk. The Tesla Model S proved electric vehicles could outperform gasoline cars. Instant torque, minimal maintenance, software updates over the air. The car became software-defined. Legacy automakers were forced to pivot. Companies like Waymo, Tesla Inc. are developing autonomous driving ecosystems. Cars now include AI-assisted navigation, sensor fusion systems, machine learning algorithms, high-performance computing processors. The automobile is transforming from mechanical device to electronic system to software platform to data node in a mobility network. We may see subscription mobility, autonomous fleets, smart city integration, solid-state batteries, hydrogen fuel cell experimentation. The fundamental question is shifting. Will we own cars? Or will cars own the road and come when summoned? From Cugnot's steam wagon, to Benz's gasoline engine, to Ford's assembly line, to Japanese efficiency, to Tesla's software revolution, the automobile has been the most transformative consumer technology in modern history. It changed economics, politics, war, urban planning, identity, freedom. And now, as AI integrates with electrification, we are witnessing the next great automotive metamorphosis. The history of cars is not finished. It is accelerating.